for the purpose of expediency, Your Honors, the defense is willing to stipulate on the checks, as well as the details on the face of the check, which would be the dates, the payee, the signatures therein, as well as the dorsal portion, and that the checks were verified. It went through the teller and that they were approved, Your Honors.
How about the qualification of the witness as to being able to identify the checks that she was the former department manager and worked at Land Bank from May 2022 to September 2024?
As the former branch manager, we are willing to stipulate as well as her ability to identify these checks, Your Honor.
Having so stipulated, Chair would like, for the information of the Senator Judges, kindly flash as I read the details of the check so that we are in agreement as to what is being stipulated to by the respondent. First is Land Bank check number 0000000453, payable to Edward D. Fajarda in the amount of 37.5 million, dated February 20, 2023, and encashed on February 22, 2023. Second is Land Bank check number 0000000964, payable to Edward D. Fajarda in the amount of 37,500,000 pesos, dated April 19, 2023, and encashed on April 26, 2023. And finally, Land Bank check number 0000002250, payable to Edward D. Fajarda in the amount of 37.5 million, dated July 11, 2023, and encashed on July 13, 2023. The respondent is stipulating as to the authenticity, due execution, and all the information contained in the face of the check, as well as the dorsal side of the check, including the verification made by the responsible bank officers as regards the payee and the disbursement of the amounts mentioned on the face of the check, as well as all of the stampings in the dorsal side of the check. This is a common exhibit of both parties. On the part, again for the record, on the part of the defense, it's P Roman numeral number 128E to P Roman numeral number 28E-1, and P Roman numeral number 28F to P Roman numeral number 128F1, P Roman numeral number 28G to P Roman numeral number 28G-1, and on the part of the defense, the respondent rather, it is exhibit D Roman numeral number 1112DE to D Roman numeral number 1112DE1 for check ending 453, and D Roman numeral number 1113DE and D Roman numeral number 1113DE-1 for check ending in 964, and D Roman numeral number 1114DE to D Roman numeral number 1114DE-1 for check ending 2250. Do you confirm, sir?
We confirm that, Your Honor.
Do you confirm, Representative Chua?
We confirm, Your Honor.
You may proceed accordingly, sir, given the stipulation and admission of the counsel for respondent.
One more,
Insofar
Your Honor.
as the other matters you wish this witness to prove. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, one more stipulation if the counsel, one more proposal if the counsel for the
You may
defense
proceed,
is
sir.
willing to stipulate, Your Honor. If they are willing to stipulate that the 3 land bank checks were funded by the Philippine Treasury for the account of the Department of Education, Office of the Secretary.
We stipulate, Your Honor.
Okay.
So stipulated.
So, we will now proceed, Your
You
Honor.
may now proceed to the other matters, counsel, and your reminder of the stipulations and admissions so that
Yes.
we save on the court's time. You may
Yes,
proceed,
Your
sir.
Honor. Now, Madam Witness, pupunta tayo sa proseso ng encashment ng cheque. Now, Madam Witness, pwede bang malaman namin ano ang proseso ng encashment ng 3 cheque na nabanggit po kanina kung maalala po ninyo?
Pare-parehas naman po ang proseso doon sa tatlong cheque. So, ang una po ay tatawag po sa amin ng Cash Division ng DepEd para magpa-reserve ng pera.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, sabi mo, tatawag sa inyo ang cash division ng DepEd.
Yes.
Now, ang tanong ko po, sino sa cash division ng DepEd ang tumatawag po sa inyo?
Ang tumatawag po sa akin ay si Miss Sonia De Leon po, ang Chief Admin po ng Cash Division ng Department of Education.
Sonia.
With the permission of Representative Chua, can you pronounce the name more distinctly, ma'am? Ano pong pangalan? Sonia?
Sonia De Leon.
De Leon.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
D-E-L-E-O-N.
Yes, Your Honor.
You may proceed, Representative Chua.
Thank you, Your Honor. So sabi mo, tatawag sa inyo. Sino sa inyo?
Sa akin po.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, pwede pa namin malaman, paano mo nakilala itong si Miss Sonia De Leon ng Cash Division ng DepEd?
Siya po ang head ng Cash Division ng DepEd at siya rin po ang palagi naming nakakausap regarding sa mga transactions po ng DepEd.
Okay. Bakit kinakailangan tumawag ni Miss Sonia De Leon sa inyo po?
Regarding sa encashment po?
Yes, bakit kailangan niyang tumawag? Anong dahilan?
Kasi po wala naman po kaming enough cash para dun sa mga cheque na mention. Kaya kailangan po niyan tumawag para i-reserve po namin.
Okay. So sabi ninyo, kaya siya kailangan tumawag dahil kinakailangan i-reserba ninyo. So
Yes.
ngayon, pagkatapos po tumawag ni Miss Sonia De Leon sa inyo, ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari?
Pagkatawag po ni Ma'am Sonia ay i-relay ko na po yung cash requirement nila sa kahera ko para po siya ang mag-request sa cash center po ng Land Bank.
Okay. So pagkatapos pong tumawag ng kahera ninyo sa cash center ng Land Bank, ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari kung meron man po?
So, pagka naitawag na po yun and dumating na yung pera, tatawagan na rin po namin si Ma'am Sonia para sabihin na available na yung pera.
Okay. So Madam Witness, paki-clarify nga, magkakano po ba yung cash requirement na tinutukoy po ninyo na may kaugnayan dito sa cheque na pinag-uusapan natin?
Ang amount po kasi nung cheque is 37.5. So, nasa ganoon din halos yung amount nung ire-request po ng kahera sa cash center namin.
Okay. So sabi mo, tatawag yung aabisuhan ninyo, yung cash center. Pagkatapos, ano na po nangyari pagkatapos?
Ni-request na po yun ng kahera. So, kung the following day, darating na po yun at tatawagan na rin po namin sila Ma'am Sonia na dumating na yung pera. Available na yung pera for encashment.
Okay. Now, pagkatapos po ninyong tawagan si Miss Sonia, ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari?
Darating na po yung pay ng cheque si Mr. Fajarda at i-encash na po niya yung cheque.
So, Madam Witness, pwede po ba paliwanag ninyo sa amin, ano ang unang proseso na ginagawa ni Mr. Fajarda pagpunta po sa inyo sa pag-i-encash ng cheque?
Yung cheque po plus ID niya ay ibibigay po sa verifier para po i-verify yun. Pag na-verify na po yun, ibibigay sa teller for encoding, for validation, posting, ganyan. And then tatawagin din po ang officer for the approval.
Okay. So, kanina binanggit po ninyo yung pangalan ni Mr. Edward Fajarda. Paano naman po ninyo nakilala si Mr. Edward Fajarda?
Siya po yung payee ng cheque.
So bukod po sa pagiging payee ng cheque, ano po ang experience ninyo? Paano po ninyo nakilala si Mr. Fajarda?
Doon lang po sa mga present niyang identification.
Okay. So, kailan po yung unang pagkakataon na nakilala o nakita ninyo si Mr. Edward Fajarda?
Nung pong encashment nung first check, nung February.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, so pagkatapos